It's finally here. We've got official S23 ads showing up. There have been leaked pictures of the S23 series in real life. A store in Nicaragua seems to have gotten hold of these devices in its boxes. The boxes seem to have been redesigned, showing the picture of the phone in its color on it instead of the cool model name design. For the prices, it seems Samsung is going to stick with the last year's price in some markets like the US, but some small price hikes in markets like South Korea. It's likely Samsung will stick with the screen protected by a Gorilla Glass Victus Plus with a 10750 nits brightness instead of the 2000 nits that the S23 series was rumored to have. Needless to say, the S23 series will provide solid performance with great battery life. Right, the Ultra is going to use the ISOCELL HP2 200 megapixel sensor, which actually is physically bigger than the sensor in the S22 Ultra. Ice Universe posted a photo sample, and I must say this is incredible. This picture shows a photo shot on the 200 megapixel sensor on the S23 Ultra, and it has been cropped 12 times. Honestly, even with that much crop, there's still good detail and the colors seem to have been retained quite well. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. It's going to be amazing to see what the new 200 megapixel camera can do, but mostly I think the new 50 megapixel mode is going to be the sweet spot for most people. For the phone's variant, a leaked leaflet from Verizon has all the info we need. The base variant of the S23 will start at 8GB of RAM with 128GB of storage and a 256GB of storage variant. The S23 Plus and the S23 Ultra will have 8GB of RAM with 256GB of ROM. But if you want to amp it up to the 12GB version, you would have to stick with a 512GB of ROM version. So basically that is all we know for now. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, and I'll be back when I find something new.